Hi everyone, please join me. For work I will use 4.5mm crochet hook and a ball of yarn. And in this video you will see how to crochet my unique element. Please join me and let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet my motif or element. I will begin from the foundation chain. Make chain of 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My foundation chain is ready. And join the chain and round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My ring is ready. Work into the ring. Make 14 single crochet into the ring. Make single crochet and remove a long piece of yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. I am working by spiral direction. Insert the hook into the first single crochet. Work with back loop. Insert the hook into the back loop. There is the front. And this is back. Make single crochet. Make a chain. Yarn over the hook. Work into the back loop. Make half double crochet, chain, and double crochet into the next back loop. Chain and double crochet into the next back loop. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Chain and double crochet into the next back loop. Chain and double crochet into the next back loop. Chain and double crochet into the next back loop. Here what I have. Don't forget about the chains between stitches. Chain and double crochet into the back loop, chain, chain and double crochet, 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 chain and double crochet into the next back loop, chain, insert the hook into the double crochet that I did here. It is going to be the base for my element or motif. Then chain of 2, yarn over the hook, make back post double crochet stitches. Insert the hook from the back to the front and make back post double crochet. Chain of 2. In total it should be 7 of them. First is ready, let's crochet 6 more. 2, chain of 2, 3, chain of 2, 4, chain of 2, 5, chain of 2, 6, chain of 2 and 7. It was back post double crochet stitches. The base is ready for my lacy motif or element. I'm going to work on reverse single crochet. For this, make a chain. It is going to be the new round. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Make single crochet. Make single crochet into the chain space. I am crocheting loosely. Continue. Insert the hook into the stitch, make single crochet and reverse single crochet into the chain space, reverse single crochet into the stitch and into the chain space. Here what I have. Insert the hook into the stitch, make reverse single crochet, then reverse single crochet into the chain space, and so on. For this project I am using wool yarn. You can use any kind of yarn and any tools. It could be like a separate motif, or it could be part of big projects such as Irish or Crochet laces. Then I have only one chain space. Make reverse single crochet into the chain space and reverse single crochet into the stitch. And so on. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Let's make some more, and you should continue working by yourself. Insert the hook into the chain space, make reverse single crochet, then reverse single crochet into the stitch, into the chain space and into the stitch. Let's look at this point. I remove my stitches and insert the hook into the chain space, make reverse single crochet, trim, insert the hook into the stitch, make reverse single crochet. Insert the hook into the chain space, make reverse single crochet and reverse single crochet into the stitch, reverse single crochet into the chain space and reverse single crochet into the trim, and reverse single crochet into the stitch. So keep working this way till the end of this my loops. Then I will show you what you need to do the next. It is very beautiful and interesting motif. I am done reverse single crochet till the loops, and now I show you how to crochet more, reverse single crochet more. Work with 3 loops only. Insert the hook into the loop, make reverse single crochet. Insert the hook into the loop, make reverse single crochet. Insert the hook into the loop, make reverse single crochet. Here what I have. Insert the hook into the loop, make reverse single crochet. Insert the hook into the loop, make reverse single crochet. Work with each loop in this row. Then I will show you how to complete it. I'm about to complete my element. I'm about to complete the last stitch. Insert the hook into the stitch. Make reverse single crochet. Pull it. Make a chain and cut off my yarn. Pull it. Insert the hook from the back like this. Take the working yarn, pull it through. Pull it. So my motif is ready. Here how it looks on the back side. I will remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the project using the sewing needle or crochet hook. So let's stop and look what I have done. So that's it, my project is ready. Here how it looks like when I am done. It is very easy to make projects, so you just need to know how to crochet reverse single crochet, double crochet stitches, half double crochet and single crochet, and chains. It could be perfect for beginners. You can use it like a decoration, or it could be part of big projects, such as Irish or Gipper laces. Also in freeform technique. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my motifs. And write comment below this video what you will get with me. I remind you all additional information about the tools, kind of tools and useful links could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!